In this video, we will focus on less competitive niches. This niche is new and viral, and if you want to be successful in any project, you have to follow a plan and a strategy. And yes, this is a blueprint of the process of creating YouTube Shorts that will have your shorts trending in no time. You won't need any more tutorials on making viral shorts. Why? Because you will master it. Any project has a process, and any process has steps, and any step has... You know what? Let's go to the first step. First step is choosing a niche, and it's crucial to avoid competitive ones, like football edits. In this tutorial, we will focus on less competitive niches, like psychology tricks, also known as manipulation, which isn't about the bad stuff, but rather cool psychological attitudes. It's a new and viral niche we'll explore in this video. Before we dive into the blueprint, a special thanks to 11 Labs for sponsoring this video. We'll talk more about them later in this tutorial. As you see, this is the blueprint of the process, which consists of 3 bases: the content ideas, then the resources that generate the content, and the editing phase, which consists of another 3 parts: the footage clips, the audio, which is the voiceover and the soundtrack, and the captions. I think now you know why I said you would not need any other tutorials after this video. Now let's talk about scripting. First thing first, avoid AI scripts that will not grab viewers' attention. Put some effort and write your script, especially if you're heading into the psychology tricks niche. Let's start by writing the idea. You don't have to write the script, but you will only write the idea, then rephrase it in ChatGPT. This technique is really helpful. You don't have to worry about grammar or vocabulary mistakes because after rephrasing process, ChatGPT will correct all the mistakes and change the vocabulary. Make sure that there is no advanced vocabulary because not all the viewers are English native speakers. For example, why do you want to use the word exquisite when you can simply use the word nice? So make the script easy to understand. With your script in hand, let's bring it to life by CPR, with voiceover. I recommend using 11 Labs for the best results. And stick to one primary voice artist so viewers recognize your content immediately. 11 Labs link in the description, open it, sign up, pick a voiceover artist, paste the script, hit generate, give it a listen, download it, subscribe to the channel, and let's roll to the next step. Now it's time to get the footage. It depends on the chosen niche. For instance, in the niche of psychology tricks, it's popular to use anime scenes or charismatic characters in movies, like Thomas Shelby from Peaky Blinders. We won't cover the basics of downloading movies or anime clips since it's, well, quite basic. For historical shorts, which is another great niche, well, there were no cameras thousands of years ago, so you can generate AI images using Leonardo, which is free. If you're not familiar with Leonardo, you can watch this video after we complete the tutorial. Now let's recap the steps we've taken so far. We've chosen the niche, which is psychology tricks. Check. We've utilized the rephrasing technique to create the script for the video. Check. We'll use 11 Labs to convert the scripts into audio. Check. We know the niche's style, which involves using footage from movies or animes. Check. In this video, we covered the theoretical side of the strategy. However, the real practical work will be in the next video, when we dive into the editing phase.